Over time, the man-readable information that is printed on the ticket may fade. This is either due to atmospheric conditions or the simple wear of the printer ribbon. To replace a ticket printer ribbon is very easy. Simply pull out the multicon on its sliding rail, lift the printer and remove it from its cradle. It is connected to a single cable as shown, which can be unclipped for easy access. The printer ribbon itself is mounted underneath this guiding plate and around the printer head mechanism. To remove the printer ribbon, simply lift the ribbon from the printer. A new ribbon may then be replaced. On replacing a new ribbon, position the ribbon back in position, ensuring that the ribbon is over the guiding plate and positioned around the print head. If necessary, you can pull the ribbon out to assist in this process. Once this is positioned correctly, use this guide wheel to tighten the ribbon. Once complete, the printer can be replaced within the multicon. Connect the cable, replace the printer in its guide rail, and the printer is in its final position. Each time the printer is removed or raised, you should print a test ticket to ensure that everything is operating correctly. The test ticket button is located on this printed circuit board. Pressing it once produces a test ticket. Examine the ticket to ensure that all of the printed information is readable.